In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store to get free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. Then open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Now choose Consent. Use this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those options however you want to adjust your wallpaper however you wish to. You can check out Preview at the top. When you finished, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Apply at the bottom right corner and decide where by tapping on one of those options. So when I exit my app, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!